What's up, fam? So today I am doing the Pepsi and the peanuts challenge. Let me take this gum out, y'all. Sorry. I was challenged by my girl Galore. Yes. So and she called it "Old to the South." And you already know I'm from the South. My drink. So, oh Lord, I hope it don't bust. It might be a slash burping challenge too. Cause y'all know I burp easy off drink.
Mama.
Comment down below, do y'all eat who?
Oh no, Mama. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no. I can get you. Oh no.
I can't pour it in nothing. You stop. Now quit, Javion. Stop. Let me pour this in here.
Oh no.
Okay, he got his food, so I can continue on. So who has done this before? I've never done this before. I don't even know, am I supposed to put the whole bag of peanuts or what? I'm just gonna put the whole bag. I might as well. Food and drink. You know what I think for the food, Pepsi, man.
Yeah.
As my brother would say, cheers. So I'm supposed to eat the peanuts too, right? Scared. Ooh. That tastes good. I wish I would have had it more. I should have put it in the freezer. But I was rushing. As usual. Y'all see that, right? This gonna be a bourbon challenge. Oh, I always waste some. I'm finna go to the car wash after this too. Baby. What you giving them, Flamin? You give them? You getting them a fry?
French fries, Mama.
He told y'all to be happy, so he trying to hurry up and tell y'all. Well, now I see that. That would be a good thumbnail, I think. I don't like the way it looks. It's bubbling up. That I don't want. Nah, you didn't tell me, Zaza. Was I supposed to? Excuse me. Eat the peanuts. Cause I don't think I seen you eat your peanuts. No.
Mama, there's a bunch of drink.
He drunk some, y'all, but he ain't drink that. He ain't eat that peanut. No. He don't want to drink this.
Look. Damn.
Well, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me if y'all ever did this before. Peanuts and Pepsi. Look like a science project. I like it. I like that though. Yeah, I see that. It's not bad. It's really good. If I would I was trying to go. If I would have frozen. A few of them went to the bottom. This make you full. I heard of people I heard of people drinking beer and eating peanuts. Don't do that. My put your leg down. My mama and them used to do that. They used to drink beer and eat peanuts. A lot of people I know drink beer and they eat skins. Yeah. Yeah. I was trying to finish this, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. Ciao, y'all. Happy. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all saw that. Take one last sip. Let's see if I can burp. I'm sorry, that was a little, but okay.